Welcome to Reading is Best channel. In this video I am going to talk about scope of psychology. Mainly there are two scope of psychology. They are basic or pure psychology and another one is applied psychology. Basic or pure psychology focuses on the theoretical knowledge, principles, facts and research. They might not have direct practical application. Some of the examples include study of sensation, memory, learning, reasoning, prejudice, emotion, etc. Similarly, applied scope of psychology mainly focuses on applying theories, principles, and knowledge gained through research to overcome the practical problems. For example, it can include resolving anxiety, developing communication skills, treating mentally ill people, or helping clients to deal with depression. Now let's take some example of basic or pure psychology. Here I have listed 4 basic or pure psychology. They are general psychology, abnormal psychology, social psychology, experimental psychology. General psychology deals with the basic description and explanation of human behavior. This psychology is concerned with normal individual and describes and explains the basic laws and principles that govern various mental and physical activities. Next one is abnormal psychology. Abnormal psychology is a theoretical branch of psychology that studies, describes, and explains in detail about abnormal behavior, how it occurs, why it occurs, and what are the symptoms and causes of abnormal behavior. Third one is social psychology. It studies a person's behavior in his or her social and cultural background. It also studies group and how it influences the individual's behavior. Furthermore, social psychology deals with social perception, social motivation, development, and changes in attitudes and development of prejudices. Fourth one is experimental psychology. It deals with the study of sensation, perception, learning, memory, and forgetting. Similarly, it also deals with motivation, physiological basis of behavior, and many others. As the name suggests, it is rigorous and is primarily conducted in the laboratory. The basic aim of experimental psychology is to experiment and understand fundamental causes of behaviors, to identify variables and their relationship in causing behavior, which ultimately helps to develop laws and principles. These were the 4 examples of basic or pure psychology. Now let's take some example of applied psychology. Here I have mentioned 4 examples of applied psychology. They are educational psychology, clinical psychology, counseling psychology, and fourth one is industrial and organizational psychology. Educational psychology is the application of general principles of behavior in the area of education. Educational psychologists are primarily interested in answering when to teach, what to teach, and how to teach. They are also interested in explaining possible causes of educational backwardness, special teaching of gifted children, and evaluation of capabilities. Now the second is clinical psychology. The main concern of clinical psychology is the diagnosis and treatment of emotional and behavioral problems such as mental illness, juvenile delinquency, drug addiction, criminal behavior, mental retardation, marital and family conflicts, and other less serious adjustment problems. Third one is counseling psychology. Counseling psychology is a professional branch of psychology in which psychological principles are applied in solving behavioral problems which are less severe and also solving the adjustment problem of client in social life, in educational sector, or in vocational sector. Fourth one is industrial and organizational psychology. Industrial and organizational psychology deals with the behavior of man in industrial situation or organizational scenario. This psychology is concerned with human factors in industries and organization such as personnel selection, boosting the morale of employee, designing the workspace for the maximum productivity, and so on. These are some of the scope of psychology. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click the like button. And you can also comment in the box below for any kind of suggestion or feedback.